Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to create a poll in WhatsApp. Well, it's very easy. First of all, I'll show you how to do that. So what you need to do is you simply have to go to the group in which you want to create that poll. For example, I go to a group. So this is the group. In this group, I want to create a poll for all the members. And let us see how to do that. So for creating any poll in WhatsApp, what you need to do is simply go to this bottom part and you can find this icon of attachment icon. So simply click on this attachment icon and you'll get a lots of option for various functions. So out of which you can see one of them is poll. So simply click on this poll, this green button. Once you click, so here you can ask various questions. For example, a poll on favorite brand mobile. For example, I can add something. I can give options such as Samsung, for example, OnePlus. For example, one more is iPhone. So you can go on giving this kind of polls. Up to 12 options are available, or you can create for any poll. And after you made all these things, for example, I just write Redmi. Okay, these are my 4 options of my question. What is the favorite brand? What is your favorite brand of mobile? So then you can click on, there's one more button called allow multiple answers. Means one can also choose 2 of the 4 answers or 2 of the total options that have been provided. But I don't want that now. I will simply go for 1. So I will not allow multiple answers. So I'll just check off this option, this toggle, and then what I need to do is simply click on send. So once I do that, you can see the poll has been displayed in this group window. So for example, I am also a member of this group. So what I'll do is I'll simply click on, for example, OnePlus. So one poll has been created. Similarly, the other members of the group can also go on selecting their favorite phones. So in the meantime, one other member has also polled or given an option. So you can see iPhone is also in green and one is written over here. That means one other member has also polled a different phone, that is iPhone. So let us see how to view votes. I'll click on view votes. You can see I have voted and the person has voted. So if you have more members in the group, then they can also go on voting and you can see the results of this poll. So friends, this is how you create a poll in WhatsApp group. It's very easy and you can use it for various ways for getting the opinion of the group members and coming on to a decision or coming to a point where exactly a majority of the group members think what their opinion is. So friends, I hope you learned something interesting today. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such useful technical videos in future. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.